This is Alex. Welcome to our channel, Alex Tech Projects. Today, we try to see a Python question and answers which has been conducted in one of the tests. You can see it on my screen, the top 10 questions. It has been asked in a test. So these are the 10 questions it has been asked to know whether you are in a beginner or not. And this will be using the Python skills. The first answer we are revealing over here, you can see it. We are writing the def prime number. If n is equal to 1, we are returning a false. For other than the whatever the value of pass, we are looping in a for loop, that is 2 to n. And if it is a remainder is 0, we are making as a false. If the remainder is not in a 0, then it will become, so at the end of the things, the false it is not there, then it will try to return a true. And we are giving a prime number list, and we are taking a one more list, a loop which is 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000. You can make it. I am giving 1 to 10, and we try to see, that is 2 3 5 7. Second questions input string we have given. So now I am doing the split word by word. I am taking, if it is a even number, then I was reversing the string and appending to the list. If it is an odd number, then I was normally appending to the list. You can see the output over here. The question number 3, I am taking the string and I was taking a character by character from string. If it is not found in the unique list, then I am appending, else I am doing the pass, and after that one I am joining to make it as in a string and printing the length and doing the printing of the given string also. You can see it over here. And now I am passing a string over here. I am taking a character by character from this string, and if it is not there in dictionary keys, then I am making that as a key and assigning that as a value. If it is already been the previous count plus 1, I am doing. You can see the output over here. Fibonacci series, the first two elements, if it is a 1 or 2, that will become as 1. The rest of the elements is nothing but the cumulative sum. Now I am giving as an 5. You can see the first element is 1, second element is the 1, third element will be the 1 plus 1, that is nothing but as an 2, and third element will be the 3, and fourth element will be the, so like it is in a cumulative sum. So I have given as an 5. So this is doing, it is asked for an for loop, but I have written with a function with a recursion. And write a function whether the given string is palindrome or not. You must know how to convert the string into the reverse. If both are same, then we can give it true, else it is a false. I have used this string methods, and I have, if both are same, I can get a true and I can print that is a palindrome. If I am getting a false, I can print it is the given string is not a palindrome. Write a program to find the longest word. I'm splitting from the sentence to get a word, and I'm getting the length of the word, and maximum length I'm making a 0. If it is greater than, then I'm assigning the length and the word, else I'm doing the pass. So like this, the longest word in the given string will be the sentence, and it is having 8 characters. Now write a program to take it. Here is the list of an integers. Here I am doing lambda with filter. It is taking even numbers, and on top of that one it was converting into the list. On top of that one I am summing. So you can see it, that is a 30. And merging the two sorted lists. So they are giving two sorted lists, and I have taken as an non-overlapping. There is no duplicate within these two, and I have taken as both of them has an equal length. I am using the zip, and I am doing like this. Create a function to find the largest element in a list. So here is the numbers. So I'm comparing, I'm taking number by number from the list, and maximum value I am assigning to the first element in the list, and then I'm repeating over here, and you can see the maximum element from the list is an 100. Now we came into the conclusion. So this conclusion is a very important. Even after 30 days or 40 days of a Python class with the main with a mentor or trainer. If you have done, you are great. Congratulations. So this is the first thing. So if you are able to do this done with your own logics without depending upon internet, chat GPT or any other printed material, if you can execute, congratulations, you are great. You are on the track. Second point I want to tell, programming language is nothing but a combination of syntax plus logic. Programming languages having a varies within the syntax, but the logics are the same between the programming languages. This logic only human with a thinking analytical skills only can provide this logic. If you're not able to do it, then what could be the reason? Even after attending the 30 or 40 days of a Python class with a maintainer, mentor, trainer, okay? So, but even if you're not doing, so you are from a non-IT, majority I'm taking mechanical, civil, triple E, or you're not interested in the programming, a computer programming. That could be your mindset. So this is the first thing I want to give it. It is generalizedly I am telling. I am not pointing to anyone. There are great people from a mechanical, civil, triple E. They can also do the programming. The second question, I am from the BSc. I didn't solve. So what could be the things mean? You required some time. You didn't explore the computer programming. So practice is required. Thinking how to generate the logic for a given problem. It's more of a practice is required. Now we are moving on to the one more thing. Even I am from a computer background, but very frequently I confuse it in a logics. So that is the thing. So practice on a logics without depending. Maybe in the past you may depend upon the internet, chat GPT, or a printed material. Some people will take the PDF and copy line by line. That could be the reason. So practice the logic even though you are from the computer background, but you are unable to generate the logics. If you generate the logics, you are so much confused. So this could be the mindset also, maybe the factor. So that's I want to tell. I here it is saying I'm always copy from the PDF, others code from internet, chat GPT. What is the problem? If I'm copying, what could be the problem? So finally your brain will search for a shortcuts. Okay, for the shortcuts only, make you depend on others. Could be the others code, PDF, internet, and chat GPT. And mind will not provide, or mind will not think, and mind will not provide the solution. And finally, you will become as an stubborn. You are not using your brain to generate the logics, design, kind of nothing. You always depend on others. That will be so dangerous in the computer or IT world. So if you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.